This free AI tool has changed VFX forever. These videos are just a demonstration of its ability. There are a lot of creative things you can do by using this AI, and this is not only an AI video generator, it's way beyond that. So, how good is this AI tool? What's it capable of? Let's find out. This AI tool is called Viggle AI. You can find the website link in the description below. This is just a demonstration of the abilities and features of this AI tool. We're going to see them in detail. To access this AI tool, you have to click on the Join the Beta button, and you will be redirected to their Discord server. So, once we're on the Discord server, on the left side you can see some channels. Here you will find a channel named Getting Started. From here, you will get details about this AI tool. This AI tool offers you a lot of features: mix, animate, ideate, character, and stylize. But in this particular video, we're going to focus on the main feature, which is the mix feature. This is something really impressive. Here, they mention some channels where we can generate our video. I'm choosing one channel from here to generate our first video. These are some demonstration videos that people are generating right now. So first of all, you type /mix. Then you'll see a window like this. We have two different options, image and video. First, you need to select the image you want the AI to animate. In the next box, you have to upload the video you want the image to move like or act like. For example, I have a video of a dancing lady. I'm going to upload this video, and the image will follow the same moves performed in the video. I hope you get the idea. Next, we have the background option. Here, we have two different options, white and green. I'm selecting the green background. Next, we have the fine-tune option. I'm turning this on. Make sure to turn it on to get the best results. Okay, so here is the output. Now you can see this cartoon character is actually dancing like our video character. Obviously, you can remove the green screen and place this character wherever you want. But this is a very simple thing. How can we achieve the results you saw at the beginning of this video, like turning anyone into an alien, monster, or whatever you want? For that, you have to follow a few steps. So first of all, you have to select your source video. In my case, this will be my source video. In the next step, we have to remove the object from this video. For that, we're going to use Runway No. But don't worry, we'll do it for free in Runway No. On the left side, you can see we have an Edit Videos option. After clicking here, you can see all of these video editing tools in Runway No. Now we have to select the In-Painting tool. Now, upload your source video here by clicking the Upload button. After uploading the video, drag the video here. After some kind of processing, it will be ready to edit. On the right side, we have two options, Include and Exclude. You can also increase or decrease the brush size here. So, click the Include option and adjust the brush size accordingly. Now, select the object from this video. Once you're done, the in-painting will start. After a few seconds, our main subject has been removed from this video. You can play this video to see that your character has been removed. Once you're done, click on the Export button. To find your file, click on this video section where you can see all of your exported videos. Now, just download your file from here. Now, in the next step, we have to create a similar character. For that, just open your source video and take a screenshot of your character. Then go to VFX AI. This is also a free AI tool. On the left side, you can see the Create Images option. Now, in the prompt box, upload the screenshot we took from our source video. This image will be used as a reference image. In the prompt section, you can type whatever you want to create. I added a prompt here, a robot woman in a robot suit, no nudity, cyberpunk theme. Now, simply click on the Create button. These are the output images. You can select any one of them. I'm selecting this one and hitting the Download button. The next step is to capture the motion. For that, we're going back to Viggle AI and typing /mix. Now, in the image section, we have to upload the robot image we just created. In the video section, we have to upload the source video. Once done, in the background section, select green and make sure to turn fine-tune on. Hit enter. So, here's the output video. Now you can see it captured the exact same motion from our source video. This is very crazy. Just look at the movement and motion, how accurate it actually is. Now simply download the video. The next step is just to combine these videos together. You can use any of your favorite video editing applications. In my case, I'm using Filmora. Now, just import your inpainted file and your Viggle AI file. I've uploaded both videos. Now, import your inpainted file first, then upload the Viggle AI file on top of the inpainted video. Now, click the green screening video and click on the AI Tools button. Then turn on the chroma key. It will automatically select the green color. From here, you can adjust this accordingly until it looks perfect. If we play this video, you can see our character has been replaced with this robot character. I know there are a few issues with this one, but this is just to give you the idea of how this thing works. You can now replace the character of any video with another character. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Share this video with your friends and family.